Hey there, I'm Lily O'Reilly. This is Lily O'Reilly Reviews, and this is the utterly blank space that will eventually be my office. But anyway, we are tackling the limited edition BoneBox for October, I believe. So let's see what's inside, huh? Okay, so there is a standard box for October. I've received it and then I lost it because I am in the process of a complete teardown and remodel. But what I do have is the premium edition, and we're going to figure out what's inside it. So, ho ho ho, they have some sort of scratch and win. You can score cool stuff from the Skulls Unlimited account. I will find a coin and we'll scratch that momentarily. What I'm interested in is what's inside the box. So, a lot of paper, as always. It appears that I actually don't know what this is. So, the lanyap, the little something extra, is a cell phone gripper that has the Skulls Unlimited logo on it, which is kind of cool. I like the rings, but to be honest, I'm more of a pop socket girl, so we'll see if I wind up using it. Now in the box, we have a gray fox skull. They are 31 to 44 inches long. They weigh 4 to 16 pounds. They live 6 to 10 years. They're omnivorous, preying on mostly rodents as well as beetles, grasshoppers, and butterflies. During the spring, fruit makes up approximately 70% of their diet. They're found from southern Canada through the US and south to Venezuela and Colombia. And they fucked up. So, thing I had to learn. Bah humbug. Let me see if I can get it to focus. All right, see how they spelled Colombia? C-O-L-U-M-B-I-A? That's not the country. The country is C-O-L-O-M-B-I-A because I have fucked that up so many times. So, fun fact. Gray foxes have strong hooked claws that allow them to climb trees in order to sleep, hunt prey, or escape a predator. They're the only species of the dog family with this ability. So that's the gray fox. That's kind of nifty. Let's see what the skull looks like. Now I admit I do think I already have a gray fox. I do not think I got it from BoneBox, but I'm fairly certain I already had one in my collection. Come on. They package them super well. So, the gray fox, and its little Ziploc baggie. That dog out there is going to drive me insane. So, they don't tell you how much it's listed for, so I'm going to have to look that up. But what we do have is an absolutely lovely specimen. And I kind of like how with the lighting in here, you get a backlight effect. Very traditional carnivore style skull with the large cheekbones. Right here for the muscle attachments for bite strength. Fairly standard tooth arrangement. You can tell they're omnivorous because toward the back you have more chewing style teeth, where toward the front they're specialized for biting and puncturing and tearing. And it just looks super fucking cool like that. So, gray fox. The head's actually smaller than I thought it would be. I expected their head to be at least a little bigger than my hand, but shoe bug. So, super nifty little skull. Definitely one that, like, I see why it made it into the premium tier of the box, but I'm a little disappointed because I already had one. Overall, I still think that their premium boxes are worth getting. I just don't necessarily know if I got value out of this one. And we have a scratch off. And I have no coins, but what I do have is a hairpin. So we'll see if this works. Yes, it does. Works better if I have a surface. Oh, there we go. Now you too can see what I have won. I can already tell you I don't care because it says free shipping. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be buying anything else since I've already spent my whole bone budget on the boxes. But that was a nifty little throw in, and I'm kind of glad that they give you those, you know, the opportunity to get a little something off. So, as always, if you like the kind of videos I do, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share them. I just do this for funsies, so I'm glad you guys are enjoying it, and now I get to go rearrange more shit. So, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.